Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I'm Talisha from CreativiTeeByT on Instagram, so you can go and follow me over there, and I also use that same name here. And today I am coming to you with my last minute sewing plans for the holiday. Yes, my last minute holiday sewing plans, and I am sharing this information in case it will inspire you to create something last minute, or if you're just looking for an easy project, you can kind of see what I'm doing and maybe sew something that's interesting to you. So the first thing that I am going to share is the ear warmer. And the backstory behind wanting to make these ear warmers is every year, and I know I said this in one of my in my come shop with me video, but every year my siblings and we pull names to purchase gifts for Christmas. And the reason why we pull names is because there are so many nieces and nephews, and then there's us 5 siblings, and we always purchase gifts for all of the nieces and nephews. So we just thought, why don't we just make it easier for the adults and just do, you know, one nice big gift, and we can do that by pulling names. And we do that on Thanksgiving every year. So for me, I'm okay with the drawing of the names, but sometimes I feel like, oh, I still want to get them something. So, meaning the others. So instead of just, you know, giving everybody the big gift, I still continue to give that one person that I draw like the very nice gift, but I do like to give everyone else just something little, just a little small token of a gift. And so I normally just make something, you know, whether it's food like banana nut bread or this mean sausage bread that I make, you know, whatever it is, I still just kind of give them a little something. And one year I made neck warmers, and everyone loved it. It was like a hit, and it was so quick and easy. I just did not think that it was going to be received that way. So because they seem to appreciate the little small gifts that I give, I decided to go with this ear warmer. And this is a PDF pattern, but I'm okay with small PDF patterns. So this is what it looks like. You just cut 2 on the fold here, 1 lining and 1 main fabric piece. But on my shop with me video, when I took you along, I wanted to make sure I got the fluffy, stretchy fleece so that actually had the appearance of this fluff here, you can see. And so I did find it, and I was shocked. I was shocked because sometimes I don't have that kind of luck. And I plan on making 13 of them, but this is the fabric that I ended up getting. It's white and it has some black in it, and it doesn't have a whole lot of stretch, but it does have some stretch, if you can see. I'm pretty much just going to use that with normal black fleece. I also have this black fleece that I could pair with it as well. I am also going to make 2 infinity scarves, and I'm going to make it out of this fabric right here, and also out of this fabric again. Then my godmother, she loves aprons, and so I ended up picking up this pattern at Walmart, and so I'm gonna make this apron. And the fabrics that I picked up for her, I actually picked those up at Walmart too. And so I picked up this floral, navy blue with floral print right here. And then I thought this was cute, the cherries. Picked up this navy blues again, and you got the cherries, you got the polka dots in there, and the green. Some other fabric that I picked up when I was out shopping for my last minute holiday sewing plans was fabric to make my fabric ornaments, which I have already posted on Instagram. But I don't think the pictures show the fabric any justice. Now, they were beautiful in the pictures, and I'll insert some here, but I just wanted you to kind of get a close-up of the fabric. So this was the larger ornament, and it's gray and white, but there's speckles. I don't know, let me see. There's speckles of glitter in here. I think you can see it around there. Yeah, more right here. And so that's why I got that one. And then this one is like polka dots, but they're silver polka dots. They actually kind of have a reflection to them as well. And I don't think the camera is giving it. Okay, there, you see that glare there. And then this one is white with glitter. Yeah, you see that? And then this last one, the gray that I used for the top, yeah, it has speckles as well. So that was a very inexpensive way to just really glam out that area. And I have a lot of fabric left over. I think I purchased a yard of each color just because I didn't know how much it was going to take. But you know, I could always make like a fancy little gift bag or something out of this. It definitely won't go to waste. But I thought that was I thought it came out so well. I am also going to participate in the little red dress project. I have participated in that before, and I absolutely loved it. And even the year prior, when I had first discovered it, I just really had a great time and was just amazed at some of the beautiful dresses that were made. And so with that coming back this year, I want to participate, and so I will show you the fabric that I picked out for that. Now, I cannot reveal the pattern because the reveal date has not come up, and I don't want to give it away, but I will show you the fabric. So this is the fabric, and it's a crushed velvet, and it's red. Just hope I can get it done in time. This is the only project that I am nervous about as far as not having enough time, but hopefully I will be able to achieve all goals. Well, that is it for my last minute December sewing plans. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not done so already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit the gray notification button so that you can be notified whenever I have a video. Remember, I am going to put the link in the description box for the ear warmer pattern in case that is something that you are interested in making. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!